Do you want that butter glow skin that turns heads? Then this right here, it's going to work wonders for your skin and give you that irresistible glow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Guys, today I'm so excited to introduce you to this game-changing serum that have been in my skincare routine for like a month going to 2 months now, and I'm here to give you guys a good review on this serum because so many people have been raving about this particular serum. And guys, I'm here to tell you the honest truth that no one else is gonna tell you about this product. So if you're ready to transform your skin and make it glow, or you want to clear out your dark spots, then make sure to stay, like this video, and also subscribe, because I'll not just be reviewing the serum for you guys, I'll also show you how to use it properly and how to differentiate the fake from the original one. Yes, there is a fake right now. So let's dive right into it. Now, let's take a look at the star of the show. And this is the Anua Niacinamide 10% plus TXA 4% serum. And this is the product right here. So this Anua Niacinamide serum is actually a product made in Korea. So it's a Korean product. I'm going to give you a detailed clip of how this product looks like. So once you open up the pack, this is what the product inside looks like. So this is what the product inside looks like. It comes in this 30 ml transparent bottle with a white pipette cover. So the color of the serum inside the bottle is a lot like light pink. I call it red, but not really deep red. So this is what the product looks like. And now this is the cover of the product. So this is what the texture. So this is what the texture of the serum is like. Can you guys see it's not too thick and it's not watery. It absorbs in nicely into the skin. Now, this Anua Niacinamide serum actually have little to no fragrance. Let's take a look at what you stand to benefit using this Anua Niacinamide serum, or what the brand claims that this product is going to do for your skin when you're using it. So if you intend on getting this, the obvious benefits or brand claims, according to the brand, this product is a brightening serum that brightens dark and dull skin with 10% niacinamide, 4% tranexamic acid, and 2% arbutin. Vitamin B12, natural in pink, is a fermented plant derived ingredient, and the color may fade when exposed to light for a long time. However, it does not affect the quality of the product. So those are the brand claims and some of the major ingredients in this particular product. And it also states how to use and the cautions you should take while using the Anua Niacinamide serum. Now, let's take a look at the ingredient list. What exactly is this Anua Niacinamide serum formulated with? So according to what's written here, it says that the ingredients in this particular serum is water, glycerin, niacinamide, tranexamic acid, butylene glycol, and other ingredients. So the major ingredients in this particular Anua serum is niacinamide 10%, 4% tranexamic acid, and 2% arbutin. Now, with all of that out of the way, I'm going to be sharing my honest experience with this particular Anua Niacinamide serum, because this is one serum I've incorporated into my skincare routine for a month going to 2 months now, and I can honestly beat my chest to tell you that this serum works amazingly well. Guys, when I got this serum, I was actually skeptical about using it because one of my friends actually saw this and she told me she have used it. Then I've not even started using it, and it actually gave her terrible breakouts. So I was actually scared of using this. She told me she got it from an Instagram vendor. So that was when I told her to kindly send me a picture of the product, and she actually did. So I'm going to be sharing that for you guys on the screen. So I actually had to compare her picture with this particular one, and I saw a lot of difference. Like the two products were not the same. So if you're getting this, make sure you're buying the original. Like the original one is going to give you that mirror glass skin. Guys, when I started using this, I actually had this terrible dark spots breakouts on my face. But guys, it took like a month of consistently using this, and my face became a lot smoother, softer, beautiful, and glowing. Like you can actually get to see your face by looking at my own face. Anytime I go on a video call with anyone, they'll be like, ah, Judy, what are you using? Like your face is now shining like glass. And one day my brother asked me, what oil did you put on your face today that is actually glowing? That was when I knew that this particular serum is actually working. Like guys, this is a serum that is going to smoothen out your textured skin and give you that mirror glass skin. If you want your skin looking like butter, like you want everybody to be complimenting your face, then go get this particular serum. You're going to love the effect on your skin. It's a really nice serum that will give you a smooth, beautiful, buttery, glowy face. Now, for those of you wondering, Judy, does it really clear dark spots like everybody claims? Yes, it does clear dark spots, but it's actually going to take a while. Like within 2 to 3 weeks, this is first of all going to smoothen your face before tackling your dark spots. Like the dark spots is going to take a while to clear out, but this right here is going to help instantly hydrate your skin and give you a smooth, beautiful, glowing skin. This is one Korean skincare product that I really love. Like if you want Korean glass skin, I think this is one serum you have got to add in your skincare routine. The glow is going to be visible and blinding. Yeah, you guys can already see my face because I actually applied this right here on camera. So you already see the glow effects that this serum is going to give you on the skin. Now, if you have a sensitive skin like mine, maybe most times you get a breakout when using the niacinamide serum. Guys, this particular serum did not break me out, and I'm going to be sharing how I used it to avoid getting a breakout. Because me, most times when I use a niacinamide serum, it first of all breaks me out within the first 2 weeks of using it. Then after the first, second week, I'll now start having a smooth effect. But this particular niacinamide serum is one serum that I've used that did not give me a single breakout on the face. Instead, it gave me a smooth glass skin. Now, if you really want to get the best results using this Anua Niacinamide serum, I would advise you start using it like 2 or 3 times a week in your skincare routine. Especially if your skin reacts to niacinamide, you would want to gradually incorporate it into your skin. Then you can gradually increase it to a daily use so that your skin will get to build tolerance to the niacinamide. Now, what I do every day is to simply wash my face when I'm having my shower. And once I'm out of the shower, I go in with my face toner. Immediately after applying my face toner, I go in with my vitamin C serum. And once I'm done applying my vitamin C serum and I notice my vitamin C serum is fully absorbed, I go in with the Anua Niacinamide serum. And guys, the glow is always visible. And immediately my Anua Niacinamide serum is done absorbing in, I'll go in with a face moisturizer or face cream and then apply my sunscreen if it's during the day. But guys, I do not use this serum during the day. I have a lot of products in my routine, so I chose to apply this at night only just because it's too hydrating. Now, with all of that out of the way, I'm going to show you how you can know or differentiate the fake and the original. I'm going to put these 2 products side by side for you guys. So this one right here is the fake one, while this one right here is the original one. Guys, the colors are not the same. Now, the first way you can spot or differentiate the fake from the original is that the original one has something like this on the pack. The original one has a seal that is used to cover it, and when you shake the bottle of the original one, it has this foam. It makes lots of bubbles, while the fake one does not. And on the bottle of the original one here is written Anua Niacinamide 10% TXA 4% serum, while on the fake bottle it has a corrector inserted on it. And on the back here is written in Korean language with a bit of English in some areas, while the fake one does not have much details at the back. So that is simply how you can differentiate or know the fake one from the original one. Now for the price, this retails at the cost range of 22 to 25,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. So this is a serum I would definitely recommend for anyone battling with dark skin, dark spots, or rough skin. Like, it's going to give you that clear, beautiful, glowing face. So if you want a butter glow, go get this and come and thank me later. You're going to love it on your skin. Let me know if you have used or tried this Anua Niacinamide serum in the comment section. I hope today's video was helpful. If you really enjoyed watching today's video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.